Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl, Nono Fury, and I'm coming back to you with another video. If this is your first time here, welcome. Here we love all things makeup and all things random. This is also a no judgment zone, so feel free to click the subscribe button down below and the bell to let you know whenever I upload a video. If this isn't your first time here, you already know the deal, sis. Welcome back, bitch. In today's video, I'm going to be giving y'all a hair update / hair product review. Today, I'm going to be reviewing the Monos Hair Curl Restoring Treatment, sis. So, if you're not familiar with the brand Monos Hair or the YouTuber, she is a YouTuber. I used to watch her for a long time. I started watching her probably maybe 3-4 years ago. She was a really big staple in my YouTube watch later when it came to figuring out natural hair products to use. She's very knowledgeable, and she went off and became an ambassador for Sally Beauty and also a licensed cosmetologist. So she came out with her own line, which is so exciting and so inspiring. For y'all that don't know, I do work at Sally Beauty now. I need to do a life update, but I work at Sally Beauty now, and I did get this free for working for Sally Beauty. So they gave me the curl restoring treatment, which is the hair mask in the line. I believe there's 6 or 7 items in the line, but I do just have the mask, and I cannot wait to try it and give you guys my thorough review. So yeah. Okay guys, so this product retails for $11.99 at Sally Beauty. It is on sale right now for 4 for $20. So you can get 4 products for $20. This is what it looks like out the packaging. This is the consistency. I don't care for the smell at all. It smells like a really strong perfume, kind of like cologne almost. It is pretty good wise when it comes to ingredients. It does have good ingredients like mango butter, argan oil, quinoa extracts. This is my hair right now. It's a hot ass mess out of that turban. My hair sticks to my head, so please don't judge me, but I'm about to get it all together, hopefully. So this is me, wetting my hair. This is me with the product. I'm going to shampoo my hair first with, I'm not going to mention the shampoo because it's mainly about this product that I'm reviewing, but I'm just going to shampoo my hair. In the meantime, I'm just going to tell you guys a little bit more about the product. So the product is literally only 6 ounces. I looked on her website, and apparently it's very concentrated, so you really don't need that much. However, in my opinion, I feel like the packaging is way too small. Literally every product in the line is really small, except for the co-wash and the shampoo, I believe. They're a reasonable size. But every product is so tiny, and it's just her having all that hair, I'm just I feel like she could only use this one time. So this is just me putting in the mask. The mask is pretty thick in viscosity. It does spread pretty easily, but I'm very heavy-handed with products, so I like to use a lot even though I have no hair. I'm just putting that all over my hair. It has a lot of slip. That's what I really like about it. It has a ton of slip. Just y'all, the smell is just literally not my cup of tea. I feel like some people will like it. Some people at my job liked it, but it literally make my head hurt. Okay, I can't with the perfume smell, but it feels great in my hair as I'm spreading it through. And yeah, a lot of slip. So I'm rinsing out the mask at this point, and when I rinsed it out, okay, so I only have one for real favorite conditioner in my whole life, and that is the Mane Choice Ancient Egyptian. Literally no conditioner has made my hair feel that way, the way that one has made my hair feel. This one was not anything extra to me. It wasn't anything that blew my mind like the Mane Choice one did. Or the macadamia oil one that you'll hear me talk about later on. It was just okay. It made my hair soft. It did what a deep conditioner is supposed to do. But my hair didn't feel oh my God, this is butter. It wasn't everything for me. And that's okay, because everyone has different experiences. And it's only $11.99. It's only $12. So, I mean, it was just a deep conditioner that I had on hand, and it felt good. That's all I can really say about this deep conditioner. It wasn't bad, but it wasn't the best thing ever. So as for my hair though, I cut my hair in June. I'm trying to change the angle. because y'all can only see my head. Okay, that's better. I cut my hair in June, and it is now October, about to be November, and my hair has grown quite a bit. Like literally, I took a #1 guard to my hair. That's like less than I was like basically like shaved. I had no hair. So this is my hair now. It's about literally maybe 1.5 inches off of my head. It's always packed down because I'm always wearing wigs, but I'm actually about to start wearing my hair out. I need to start styling it more. I want to get a different sponge because the sponge I have now is actually like way too big. And I've just been using I've been using Eco Gel. Fight me if you want to. There's no other gel that's better in my opinion. I've been using Eco Gel. It has been making my scalp dry as hell though. But I've been using Eco Gel, and I use like a good leave-in, and that's about it whenever I wear my real hair out. I'm really hoping my hair grows faster. I'm thinking about using the Main Choice vitamins again, because we do sell them at Sally's and I get a discount on those. So I was thinking about taking those maybe for like a month or two and see how much my hair grows out. But I just need my hair to grow a little bit faster. Like I can get braids now, but I want like a sew-in. And it's like, this is a pain in the ass to braid because you have to do like super tiny braids. But yeah, this is my hair. Completely no chemicals. You know, I told myself I wasn't going to do any more color. Like every time that I've grown my hair out, I've always did color. And I told myself this time I'm not going to do color. I want my locks. I want my locks to be healthy as possible. I don't know what length I'm going to lock my hair up, but it's going to get locked. Okay. But yeah, you guys, that's the mini update. For the conditioner, my hair feels soft. It feels really soft, actually. It feels really good. My curls are defined. You can't really see because my hair is so frizzy. I do need a trim. I'm not going to trim my hair right now. But it makes my head shape look so weird. But anyway, I feel like the mask is really good. It's not the best mask I've ever used in my life. Personally, my favorite mask right now is the macadamia oil mask. I think it's the Repair and Restore. It's in a brown and green package. That's like my favorite hair mask right now. But that one, I mean, it feels really good. I'm not going to throw it away, but would I buy it? No. It's just not my favorite. The smell really is a changer for me. That's what really would not make me buy it again. I hate the smell. It literally smells like men's cologne, cheap men's cologne, and I can't get with it. The ingredients are pretty good for the price. And right now they are having a sale at Sally's for Mo's hair products 4 for $20. So you can get 4 of her hair products for $20. That's really like a steal. And anything over that is just like $5. So that's really a steal. That's basically my review of the product. Not really a fan, wouldn't pick it up. It reminds me of any other hair mask that I use for moisture, but I've had better. But yeah, you guys, that's my review. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, stay fierce with your girl. Gang, gang.